Oh, hey, come on in. Hello, everybody. It's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited because today we are making a green spring salad because it's spring, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. Daylight savings has ended. Or wait, has it stopped? Anyways, it's lighter at night now. And today we're making an amazing salad that you guys can actually meal prep the ingredients beforehand or meal prep the vinaigrette. We're doing it with this amazing pesto vinaigrette. It's lemony, it's fresh, and so many nutrients inside. So let's do it. So we have butter lettuce, which is that great texture. It's so soft, kind of melts in your mouth. And then we have spinach as well that I'm gonna dice up and chop because I don't like huge spinach leaves in a salad. So I'm first just gonna come in here and start chopping it up. Tossing in 2 cups of chopped up spinach and make sure those 2 cups are packed. Going in with my butter lettuce. Just gonna dice it up. You can actually leave these leaves a little bit bigger, just a tiny dice right there. Even that is totally okay with butter lettuce because it's easier to eat. And again, 2 cups of packed butter lettuce. Before you guys came over to my house, I put some thin asparagus in the oven. So let's pop that baby out. Smells so freaking good, you guys. We have some roasted asparagus here, and asparagus is nice and seasonal. I love cooking, especially with seasonal vegetables. You guys can do the salad with raw asparagus, but I highly recommend roasting it. It's just that extra step goes a long way, and it's so freaking delicious. So I'm gonna come in here, toss in this roasted asparagus. I'm not a freak about hot and cold in a salad, but if you are, just let it rest. We got some spring green peas, just a cup. Peas are so good for protein and fiber. I don't know why some people hate peas. I am a pea girl through and through. I also pee a lot. So I'm really a pea girl through and through. Then I'm just gonna toss in some fresh basil. I don't even need to chop it up. Freaking love fresh basil, the smell of it. Herbs in the springtime just make everything feel so fresh. Then I'm just taking a little bit. When I say little, I mean a little bit of red onion. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Make sure to dice that onion up nice and fine. All right, I'm doing 1/4 cup. Again, that's really all you need. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of crumbled feta. I'm gonna add this avocado last. The next and last ingredient besides the pesto vinaigrette, we have some walnuts. What I love to do is toast them on the stovetop for just 2 to 3 minutes. Big chunk walnuts, if you guys want to crush them a little bit more, whatever prefer to your liking. The crunch in the salad of the toasted walnuts is so good. Toastedness almost makes the walnut taste like popcorn, but in the best way. P.S. You need no oil on the stove. The walnuts can just go straight on the pan. As the walnuts are back there roasting, we are just gonna whip up the pesto vinaigrette. It's super simple. I got my blender just coming out of thin air. As always, watch this. Hey, this vinaigrette is really simple and something that you guys can meal prep. I'm just gonna take the whole leaves of 1 cup basil. We got 2 garlic cloves, a squeeze of 1/2 lemon. Additionally, we have a lot of olive oil, almost 1/4 cup. Salt, pepper. I know we're doing walnuts on the stove, but in pesto, I just love to have a nutty flavor. So I'm gonna just toss in a few walnuts. You guys can of course do pine nuts, like a regular pesto, but to me, it's just easier with less ingredients. I'm also gonna add in a splash of water. It is small but mighty. Gorge. Let's see how that turned out. Ah, so freaking perfect. Look at that vinaigrette. Oh my goodness. Let's taste it. Incredible. I would eat that over pasta. As a vinaigrette has a little bit more oil base than regular pesto, of course, and it's a little bit thinner, but wow, that's good. Usually I put Parmesan in my pesto, but we're doing feta in the salad, so we don't really need any. We got our salad, the dressing. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about the avocado. And now my walnuts are ready just a few minutes later, so let's pop them on in over the salad. It's a little bit toasted. Probably can't tell too much the difference on camera, but they smell so good. Again, I'm not a freak. I don't mean to call you a freak. I'm not weird about hot and cold, so I'm just gonna toss in the walnuts. All right, let's toss in this gorgeous dressing. You ready to toss? Now, what I love to do if I am serving this salad for my friends or I'm hosting, I'm just gonna put it on a nice platter. And you're not gonna wanna go anywhere because I have a little trick and tip that I do, so you can't miss it. I really don't. So I'm just gonna plate it. Making something so simple just so messy for just no reason. Avocado time, y'all. I like to do the avocado last just to top it off. Let's see, let's see. I feel like this is gonna be an 8 out of 10. That's like a 9.8 out of 10. Oh my gosh. That's a 10 out of 10 avocado, actually. Look at that. There's no better feeling of getting a 10 out of 10, let me tell you. All right, I'm just gonna put slices right on top. 1 whole avocado right there. Wowzers. This is why I appreciate you staying to the end of this episode, because I saved a little bit of the pesto vinaigrette, probably a tablespoon and a half, just to top off and pour over the avocado. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I saved a little bit extra walnuts. I'm gonna just crush them up a little bit more. Extra feta. Last but really not least, a little bit of fresh pepper. Oh my God. You are not gonna get a better spring salad than this, baby. Look at that. Talk about perfection. Maybe a little bit of salt too to top it. Yeah, that's right. This is truly the perfect salad to bring to any hosting, get together, barbecue. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's packed with nutrients. It has amazing protein as well, especially with the nuts. We got the peas. We got the great flavor from the roasted asparagus. And of course, the basil. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells amazing. All right, I'm gonna come in and taste test just from here because it's too pretty. So many amazing textures going on here too. That is to die for. Oh my God. I'm not even the craziest salad girly. Lane, you wanna come try it? Come on, Lane. Oh, he's going for a run. I'm just dying for him to make a come on an appearance. This salad is incredible. I mean, look at it. It's green, nutrients, flavor packed. It's so simple, so great to bring to any get together. I love you guys, and I will see you at the next episode of Come On In. Happy spring. I love you.